Thank you for calling CTHM Restaurant. This is Soren. How may I help you?
I would like to make a table reservation, please.
Certainly, whom I am speaking to.
Kenneth Suarez.
May I spell out your name, sir? Kennethsuarez. Did I get your name correct, sir?
Yes.
May I know your contact details, sir?
0992-323-9505.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Suarez, should I make your reservation under your name, sir?
Yes, please.
When do you want your reservation, sir?
Today.
For how many people, sir?
For 2.
What time do you want your reservation is?
At 6 p.m.
For smoking area or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area, please.
May I repeat your table reservation, sir?
Yes, please.
You have your table reservation, sir, at 6 p.m. today, May 30, 2024, for 2 person only in the non-smoking area under your name, Mr. Kenneth Suarez, with the contact number of 0992-3239-505. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Mr. Suarez, thank you for patronizing CTHM Restaurant. We looking forward to welcoming you.
Thanks.